Hello everyone, welcome to rmindianhair YouTube channel. Thanks to all of you for your love and support. It helps us to give you more and more information which we can through our YouTube channel. So please supporting us. Thank you very much. It has been asked from many of our buyers that please show us to how we wash the hair in the factory. So this video is totally based on washing the hair and shampoo and conditioner. So stay tuned.
Okay, so let's start washing the hair. This is 2 buckets I have taken. This is a normal water. Do remember that don't use more hot water or more cold water. It should be a ideal temperature water. So I'll just take one closet. That's in 5x5 closet. It's a curly closet. So I'll just keep it here. Now this is a normal loyal repairing shampoo. I'll pour this in the bucket. This much is enough. Now the shampoo is mixed well in this water. I'll just take this closer. As I said, it's a 5x5 closer. I'll just dip this into this nicely. Just keep it for a small interval and maybe 1 minute. 1 minute is enough. Keep this in shampoo water and wait for 1 minute. Now it's dipped in the shampoo water. Slowly you can just squeeze it. Dip it again. Okay. You can use the comb also, but do remember use the comb from the bottom first, like this. And like this, okay, and then slowly you can go upwards. And that's enough. Now I just dip this into the fresh plain water. This is the bucket of conditioner water. I'll take it out and show you how to comb it. So let's say I'll take this one. This is a 13x6 lace front tube, 18 inches. You just take it out and I'll just show you. You need to start combing from the down first, like this, and then slowly you can go up. Don't need to be very harsh on this because it's like it's wet, so like that you can do, and slowly you can go up. Very gentle. You have to be very gentle with the comb and use the wider one to comb it. See, it is sucking, but you have to be very gentle. And slowly you have to come down. Now you can see the comb is running very smooth, and you can see there is no shedding at all. So you have to be very gentle like this throughout the front loop, and then you can start doing it like this. Now you can see my comb is moving very smoothly from top to bottom. And just keep it down. You can see the comb, there is no shedding at all. It's minimum shedding. This is like 1 or 2 hairs. Now as you can see, the comb is running very smoothly from top to bottom. Like this. because the cuticles interact in the hair, so you have to be comb it from bottom then the top and comb it throughout the hair. Now you don't need to wash it in the water, just take it and you can dry it in the sunlight, or maybe you can dry it in the fan. Okay, so this is the conditioner water, and the frontal is dipped in the water for more than 15 minutes. I suggest you to use some shampoo in your hand. This is a shampoo, and I'll take somewhat of shampoo like this and just rub it on your hand nicely. Okay. And just take the frontal out and rub this. So it's a curly frontal, right? So we need to put more conditioner in the roots nicely. What I'll do, I just take it out and show you how to comb it. Many of the clients has asked how to wash curly frontals. They got some issues with it, so I'll tell you how to comb it and how to dry it. So let's start it. Just take it out. As it's a natural curly frontal, you have to understand that the style is natural and the cuticles are intact. So it won't be same as the natural straight or curly wavy. So you have to just be careful while combing it. Just take it out and keep it here. As we did in the natural straight or wavy, we have to comb from the bottom first. Like that, we can move upward. You will feel some because it's curly, so that's why you feel a little bit stiffness or maybe freezing. So you just need to comb it very gently like that, and from the top. See, it will stuck here, but you just need to be very patient and just do it nicely. And take the comb downwards like this, because the hair is fine, just because of the curly texture it is happening like this. Now you'll see there is no shedding and the hair is smooth. So like that in the curly it happens. You have to comb it like this, and slowly you will see comb is moving nicely. Again we take this part and comb it. See, and now it is moving smoothly, no shining at all. You can see the comb. Okay, so you can see how smoothly it's going now. Initially you will feel some frizziness because it's a curly texture. So once you start combing nicely, it will be very nice to comb from top to bottom. See, it's frizzy here. Just be gentle here to move the comb downwards easily, and then you can see it's going nicely. And go to this side. Nicely, slow and gentle. So you have to do it throughout the frontal like this. You find little bit of shedding in the curly frontal, so that is not a problem, because as I said, it's a very curly texture. So minimal shedding is okay. That's not a problem. See the back side. It's stuck in here. Don't be bothered about much. Just keep on combing nicely and slowly. It's going very smooth. This is a 5 into 5 closer dipped in the conditioner water. I'll just take it out and comb it nicely. Just need to do it like this. As we did in the filter, we have to comb from the bottom. It's a straight 5 into 5 closer. And go from the up. And see the comb. It's clean and neat. No shedding at all. Just turn open to the back side, closer. And just from this side. It's like you just need to keep the hair in conditioner for some time, and the hair will be nice to comb. Same process you can do in the baby.